Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So it's getting a little chilly outside. Well, what I think is chilly. And it always makes me want soup, even though I drink soup year round, but like it just go up a little bit. And I was like, ooh, what should I do? I'm like, I haven't had a clam chowder in a minute. It's like, well, yeah, duh, girl, you've been vegan for a minute. But I want to make a clam chowder. I've been having this idea for my mind in a minute, like how would I do the clams? And it came to me and I was like, okay, we're gonna try it today. I think it came out really, really good. The flavor's there. It's nice and hearty. It's perfect for a little cold, little fall afternoon. So if you want to see how I made a vegan clam chowder, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so like any soup recipe, you're gonna start with your accoutrements for the base. And you're gonna be so proud of me because I actually only used 1/2 of an onion. I know, alert the press. But I was like, I don't want to make a whole bunch because like I'll make a whole pot of soup for just me and then get halfway through it and be like, I want something different. So I only chopped up like 1/2 an onion. I was very, very proud. But yeah, I don't know why I made it so long, because it's like, girl, you know how to chop an onion, but like we're just gonna go with it. I just be doing stuff and then see how it come out. Then I don't know, I feel like I'm not that picky besides like the vegan part, but something about a cooked carrot, you gotta catch me on the right day. Like and you definitely know you haven't seen no celery in here. Like celery is kind of crazy. Like I want to come around to it one day, but I don't know. So I'm using the bell pepper instead. I didn't miss the carrot at all. I don't think anyone will, but if you want to use carrot, girl, you want to use celery, you can do whatever you want with your soup. I ain't gonna have none. Unless you wanna invite me over, that'll be cute. Ooh, soup night, vegan soup night. That sounds cute. Ooh. But yeah, I diced up a bell pepper instead. And I only use like 3/4 of it. I think the recipe says 1/2 cup, but really just go with what your heart tells you. Okay, so I was doing my research and did not remember clam chowder having potatoes. Did I know that? Oh, I didn't know that. And again, I don't know why I just be like, I'm just gonna cube them. I mean, not cube them, quarter them. I could have chopped them a little bit smaller, but these potatoes are so, I kind of wish I used like a russet potato, to be honest, because these potatoes are so buttery and so like soft that like, I'm not gonna like chop them up and then it's like a freaking potato. But see, I don't know what I'll be saying. I'll be yapping. It's gonna be like a potato porridge. Why would it be that? You know what I mean? So I wanted to make sure they kept their form, and they did. So a lot of clam chowder start with a base of bacon, and I went through a couple things in my head. There is a smart bacon. I think, who does that smart bacon? The same people who do the hot dogs. Ooh, I'm blanking on the name. And then there are vegan bacon bits. They're not bacon bits by design. They like happen to be vegan because they're basically like dried up crackers. But I be using that when I make my greens or like when I make green beans. I think I'm doing green beans for Thanksgiving this year. I don't know if I feel like having greens. Anyway, and I was gonna do that, and I was like, I have these sausages in the fridge that I'm not really using. Like I'm gonna do that. And it came out fine. But if you want to use vegan bacon bits, just go in the bacon bits section of the grocery store and look at the back. Obviously, when it says real bacon, don't look at that one, girl. But like some of the cheaper ones will be like just bacon flavored bits. Hashtag America, woo! Anyway, so I'm using a heart of palm for my clam base. And I was worried, I'm like, what happens when I start cooking this? Is it gonna soft up too much? You know, she held her shape. I love heart of palms. I'm a little bit ashamed to admit that all of the ones that you saw in that little container did not make it into the soup because I forgot how much I love heart of palm. When I first went vegan like 8 years ago, I ate heart of palm so much. I need to bring that back. But I diced it up and then I put it back in the brine and I added some Old Bay seasoning and some nori sheets and I let that sit for like 30 minutes because I need this to do its thing. And I can't lie, I came very close. Like this is a clam chowder. Like I can't lie. Anyway, cut the cameras. Don't worry about what's going on here. You see how it came together. But I crumbled up that Impossible sausage just to get some flavor on the bottom of the pan because you want to build layers. I mean, you just don't want water and heart of palm. That would be insane. What a life. Anyway, so I added in my accoutrements and I also added some garlic. Like last minute there, nope. But anyway, before I added some garlic last minute because I was like, it's Katie, I have to have garlic. And then I added 2 tablespoons of flour. I think the recipe says 3 because I wish I did 3 tablespoons because I want, you know, a chowder, like it's a reason why it's not called soup, right? A chowder is like thick, you know what I'm saying? Like she got some shapes to her, like, you know what I'm saying? Like Yeah. So I just wish it was a little thicker, and I did go in like later on and add cornstarch, a slurry. That's not in the recipe because I wanted it thicker. Like I think it's fine the way it was, but I'm like, I just want it like as getting thick. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Anyway, I forgot to season it. I know, please. So I added in black pepper and garlic powder. I didn't do much more than that because I'm gonna add in these, and they do their big one every time, and I'm not trying to have a situation on my hands. I'm not trying to make it too salty because I feel like once you go salty, it don't matter how much water you add to something. In my opinion, it's like the salty will be in the background. You know what I'm saying? We just don't want to have that. So I was like, let me keep it cute. What else did I do that I didn't talk about? Oh, you have to not stir fry. Why? I just be saying words. You have to like fry the flour for like 2 to 3 minutes because it's gonna taste like Play-Doh. It will. You got to cook that flour taste out. You do. That's why on the package it says don't eat raw, because yeah. Then I added 6 cups of flour and a bay leaf and my vegan chicken cubes. I usually get these from what's it called, Whole Foods, but I just got mine from Ralph's, which is also Kroger, which is also Harris Teeter if you on the eastern coast, southern eastern coast. And I was surprised to see them, and they came. They actually had them. So yeah, then I let that simmer for, I can't let it come to a boil rather. Then I added in my potatoes and my sausage, and then I let that do its thing for like 20 minutes. And I'm using this vegan heavy cream. I've seen this everywhere. I've got it from Walmart. I've gotten it from Ralph's. Okay, those are only 2 places. But oh no, Target. Like, you can find this vegan cream literally everywhere. And I was gonna do a cashew cream because she's reliable, she's delicious. I always have cashews because #vegan. But I was like, I'm gonna do it this way, and I was really, really happy with it. Obviously, if you can't find this vegan heavy cream, which I doubt, because it's literally at Walmart, it's at Ralph's or whatever, you could just use a cashew cream. And like, ask me in the comments and I'll tell you how to do it. But yeah, anyway, I put some cracked black pepper on because it makes me feel grown, and some spring onions, and be a big girl. Yeah, man. This was so good. It's so hearty. I had mine with some crackers because I'm an old woman, and it just came out so good. I'm very, very excited about this. Next time I do it, I am gonna do it with a vegan bacon situation because I think that will up it even more. And if you add some nutritional yeast when you sauteing, not the nutritional yeast, I mean, she's always welcome. But if you add some liquid smoke while you sauteing the vegan sausage, that will go triple platinum. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But I couldn't find mine, / I don't know if I have any. I don't know. But anyway, let me know if you try it. Let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know it's about enough videos. Literally last year, this time I did an entire soup series. What is going on? Am I good? An entire soup series, like 7 soups or something like that. It was insane. I also got pho on here. I have enough things. I gotta make Jamaican soup. I've never made Jamaican soup. That's like kind of like sad. I should make it Saturday, because soup day is Saturday. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I've been rambling the whole time, so honestly, it doesn't make a difference. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you made it, subscribe. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what I should make next. Love hearing from y'all. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.